Here is a list of some amazing facts about the vine snake. Vine snakes belong to the genus Ahaetulla and Oxybelis. They are known for their slender, elongated bodies that resemble vines. These snakes are arboreal, meaning they primarily live in trees. They have excellent camouflage, making them difficult to spot. Vine snakes are found in Asia, Central America, and South America. They have horizontal, slit-like pupils, which are rare among snakes. Their bodies are extremely flexible, allowing them to sway like vines in the wind. They are non-aggressive and prefer to avoid confrontation. Their green color helps them blend in with leaves and foliage. Some species can change color slightly depending on their surroundings. Venom and hunting. Vine snakes are mildly venomous but not dangerous to humans. Their venom contains neurotoxins that help subdue small prey. They use rear fangs to inject venom, unlike front-fanged venomous snakes. They mainly prey on lizards, frogs, birds, and small mammals. Their hunting technique involves striking quickly and holding onto prey. They have a unique way of tracking prey by using their excellent vision. Unlike many snakes, they rely more on sight than smell to locate food. Their slow, stealthy movements make them efficient ambush predators. Their elongated tongues help them gather scent particles from the air. Some species can expand their throats to appear more intimidating. Habitat and distribution. Vine snakes inhabit tropical rainforests, dry forests, and savannas. They prefer dense vegetation, where they can remain hidden. Some species are found at elevations up to 1,500 meters 4,900 feet. Their range includes India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia. The Oxybelis species are found in Mexico, Brazil, and Argentina. They can sometimes be seen in gardens and plantations. Vine snakes rarely come down to the ground. They are excellent climbers and use their long bodies to navigate branches. Some species can tolerate dry environments better than others. They are most active during the day, making them diurnal. Reproduction and life cycle. Vine snakes reproduce by laying eggs oviparous species or giving live birth ovoviviparous species. The eggs are usually laid in tree hollows or leaf litter. Some species give birth to fully developed baby snakes. Hatchlings are independent from birth and receive no parental care. Young vine snakes are usually a duller color than adults. The incubation period for eggs varies by species and temperature. Vine snakes can live up to 12 years in the wild. Their lifespan in captivity is usually shorter due to stress. Mating season varies depending on geographic location. Males perform a slow, deliberate courtship dance to attract females. Defensive mechanisms. When threatened, vine snakes inflate their bodies to appear larger. They may open their mouths and expose bright-colored linings as a warning. They rely on their camouflage to avoid predators rather than fighting. If handled, they may release a foul-smelling musk. They use their long bodies to mimic the movement of swaying branches. Some species play dead to avoid predation. Their slow movement helps them avoid detection by birds of prey. If cornered, they may attempt to bite but rarely cause harm to humans. They often remain motionless for long periods to avoid drawing attention. Their natural predators include hawks, eagles, and larger snakes. Unique adaptations. Vine snakes have binocular vision, which is rare among snakes. Their eyes are positioned at the front of their head for better depth perception. They can strike with high accuracy due to their sharp vision. Some species have a ridge above their eyes, giving them a fierce look. Their body shape allows them to stretch across gaps between branches. They are among the few snake species that can detect movement using sight rather than heat. Their forked tongues help detect chemical cues from the environment. They can stay motionless for hours while waiting for prey. They rarely drink water directly, instead absorbing moisture from leaves. They have a slow metabolism, allowing them to survive on minimal food. Cultural and scientific importance. In some cultures, vine snakes are associated with stealth and wisdom. Local myths often describe them as mystical creatures. They are sometimes kept as exotic pets, though they require expert care. Scientists study their venom for potential medical applications. Their ability to mimic vines has inspired robotic designs in technology. Some conservation programs protect their habitats due to deforestation threats.